back to my channel. Today's going to be another school vlog. I feel like today's going to be a more crazier school vlog because it's not a half a day. My other school vlog that I posted not too long ago, it was a crazy school vlog because, I mean, it wasn't that crazy because it was a half a day, but you guys know what I mean if you watch the video. But today is another school vlog. I think today is September 22nd, 9/22/22. So, yeah. Right now, I'm gonna tell you guys the time check. It's 6:59, so it's about to turn 7. I don't leave my house until 7:15 to go to school, so I don't really have to go anywhere, but I'll see you guys at school.
I'm getting married today. Come here, Wayne. We're getting married. Oh shit, it's on the other hand. Oh, yeah. if you knew that dance. You know how to do bop it dance? No. What dances, other dances do you know? Let's not talk about those dances. Okay, so I'm getting married today. Anyway, would you like me to record you guys getting married? I'll be the camera person. You need a ring pop? I have two. Okay. I'm the camera person, guys. I record, I take the photos, I do all that stuff. I'm the photographer. Is that what it's called? Bye, people. Damn. Oh, I'll see you in my next class. Yeah, see you in 5 seconds. You know, I have a couple options. Say bye. Say bye to the vlog. Bye. See you at lunch. Okay, bye. Bro. What's your next class, bro? Yeah, I saw it. You saw what? I saw the video. Day again. Bro, we got sturdy in Spanish again. Yeah. Whose class are you in? My dad. She paused my other recording. I was mad. It's a water bottle. How'd you guys like Spanish? Spanish is cool, right? They proposed, they did their first dance, they almost had their wedding. But their wedding got canceled today. Well, they did like half of their wedding in Spanish. I saw. Naraya! Say hi. Naraya? I don't know where she's going. Where the hell is Naraya going? Are we playing today? So, guys, it's all really crazy. Hi. So I can actually play today. Shut up! We're not doing that in this order. Guys, please don't cuss. I don't want to edit anything, okay? Just gonna... You can't edit anything. Yes, I can. It's called editing a YouTube video. Are you stupid? No, honestly. No, this gets transferred to my phone. It gets transferred to your phone? Yes. Funny ring. Stupid, Olivia. I didn't know. Oh, they're fighting. They're fighting. Oh, it's cooking dollar. I'm not turning it to you. You want me to turn it this way? I'm not saying anything. Guys. He's asking if anyone can open it up and give him his $1 back. Because today in Spanish he got $1 from Hyrule because Hyrule told him to pick up something and he'll give it to him. He's like, one hard-earned dollar. So he's mad right now. As you can see in the bathroom now. Oh, can you see that? Right here. Right here. Yellow right there in the blue. The one has having a tantrum for no reason. He's having a tantrum over $1. That he barely eats. It's because he's that broke, okay? He doesn't have a lot of money. Damn, Alicia! He needs cash, alright? And he can't be wasting Chase is broke on vending machines.
Guys, I'm so sorry they said you're broke. If you're watching this, I'm truly sorry. By the way, it is 1:25 a.m. and I am editing this video. So if you're watching this, be grateful. Bye, guys.
You saw this video?
He wasted his $1 on that vending machine, y'all. Right there, the one where the girl is at.
Imagine if you saw this video talking about it being broke.
Yo,
what's poppin'?
Thank you guys for watching.
Poppin', dog.
Stop. Thank you guys for watching my school vlog. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.
volleyball, by the way.
And bye.
Don't say bye. Bye. I get to step back.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Shut up.
Bye.
It's not that